Looking for the best PCIe riser that are actually worth your money? Today, I picked the top 5 best PCIe riser that's are available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and customer reviews. You can find the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started, starting with our first pick, Latren's PCIe riser. This PCIe 5.0x16 riser cable is an excellent choice for enthusiasts and professionals building high-performance gaming or workstation PCs, designed to deliver the full 64 GB per second bandwidth of PCIe 5.0 when paired with compatible Intel 13th Gen or newer, AMD Ryzen 8700 Plus processors, RTX 50 series or Radeon RX 9000 GPUs, and modern Z790 class motherboards. It ensures uncompromised data transfer for demanding workloads. The premium 30AWG silver-plated copper conductors, double-grounded differential pairs, and individual foil shielding significantly reduce EMI, maintaining exceptional signal integrity even under heavy GPU loads. Its robust 78W power delivery through the reinforced 40-pin connector enhances system stability, while the adjustable mounting holes simplify installation across various cases. With anti-static protective packaging and careful design considerations, this riser cable offers outstanding reliability, making it a premium upgrade for users seeking maximum PCIe 5.0 performance without sacrificing stability or build quality. Next up is TRYX PCIe riser. The TRYX String PCIe 5.0x16 riser cable is a premium solution for enthusiasts who want both uncompromised performance and a clean, showcase-worthy PC build. Supporting up to 128 GB per second bidirectional bandwidth, it is engineered to maximize the capabilities of next-generation RTX 50 series and Radeon RX 9000 series graphics cards while maintaining ultra-low latency. Its performance is reinforced by successful 3D Mark PCI Express validation, demonstrating near-zero signal loss even during demanding gaming and content creation workloads. The gold-plated connectors provide superior conductivity and long-term durability, while enhanced electromagnetic shielding effectively minimizes interference from surrounding components for consistently stable operation. The ultra-flexible TPE construction and durable 6-layer industrial-grade design simplify cable routing, making vertical GPU installations easier without sacrificing reliability. Combining exceptional signal integrity, robust build quality, and improved airflow with striking aesthetics, this PCIe 5.0 riser cable is an excellent investment for high-end custom PC builds. Coming in at number 3 is Nexus PCIe riser. This PCIe 5.0 riser cable is a high-end solution designed for enthusiasts seeking uncompromised GPU performance and a visually impressive PC build. With an impressive 128 GB per second bidirectional bandwidth, it fully supports the latest RTX 4090, RTX 5090, RX 7900, and RX 9000 series graphics cards while remaining backward compatible with PCIe 4.0 and 3.0 platforms. The advanced triple-layer shielding system, including a full-wrap metal shield, individually foil-wrapped signal pairs, and tinned copper braiding, effectively eliminates electromagnetic interference, reducing the risk of black screens, artifacts, and signal degradation. Its reinforced 40-pin connector delivers up to 78 W of stable power, ensuring reliable operation even under demanding gaming or rendering workloads. Premium materials such as the 6-layer M7 grade low-loss PCB and 5 micrometers gold-plated connectors further enhance durability and signal integrity. Combined with vertical GPU mounting that improves airflow and showcases your hardware, this riser cable delivers outstanding reliability, aesthetics, and next-generation performance. Now number 4, REEC PCIe riser. This PCIe 5.0 riser cable is an outstanding choice for high-performance gaming rigs, AI workstations, and professional content creation systems. Supporting NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel GPUs, including RTX 5090/5080, RX 9070, and data center accelerators like the A100, A800, H100, and H800, it delivers exceptional versatility while remaining fully backward compatible with PCIe Gen 5, Gen 4, and Gen 3 platforms. Verified through 3D Mark PCI Express bandwidth testing, it provides the full 128 GB per second bidirectional bandwidth with near-zero signal loss, ensuring consistent performance during intensive gaming, AI training, and 3D rendering. The 90-degree design makes vertical GPU installation simple, improving cable management, airflow, and overall system aesthetics without sacrificing stability. Built with a durable PC plus ABS housing, reinforced metal armor, a 6-layer M7 grade low-loss PCB, 5U gold-plated contacts, and integrated aluminum foil EMI shielding, this riser cable delivers outstanding signal integrity, long-term durability, and reliable operation for even the most demanding computing environments. And finally, our last pick is LDPCSJ PCIe riser. This PCIe 4.0 riser cable is a dependable upgrade for builders who want to maximize GPU performance while creating a cleaner, more efficient PC layout. Delivering the full 64 GB per second bandwidth of PCIe 4.0x16, it ensures modern graphics cards operate without noticeable performance loss, making it ideal for 4K per 8K gaming, professional rendering, and AI workloads. The 200mm cable with its 90-degree right-angle design simplifies vertical GPU installation, improves cable management, and enhances chassis airflow while reducing stress on the motherboard and graphics card connectors. Advanced multi-layer shielding effectively minimizes electromagnetic interference, maintaining stable, distortion-free signal transmission even during intensive workloads. Gold-plated PCIe contacts further improve conductivity, durability, and long-term reliability through repeated installations. Broad compatibility with popular NVIDIA RTX 40, RTX 30, and AMD RX 6000 series GPUs makes this riser cable a versatile choice for gaming and workstation builds, offering excellent stability, performance, and installation flexibility at an impressive value. So those were the top 5 best PCIe riser you can buy right now. If this video helped you make a better buying decision, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.